3-term school year na. Kaguro, ready ka na ba? These are the things that you should know. Tara at mag-teach talk na. This school year 2026-2027 ay i-implement na ang 3-term structure. Magkakaroon ng 3 term sa isang school year. Unlike nung nakaraang school year, we have 4 quarters. This time, we will have the 3-term structure. Ang term 1 ay magsisimula sa opening ng klase ng June 8, 2026. Tandaan natin na dito lang may opening block mula June 8 hanggang 11. Pagkatapos ay susundan ng instructional block at ng end of term block na mag-e-end naman ng September 15. Sa term 2, magsisimula ito ng September 16 hanggang December 18 kasamang instructional at end of term activities, at ang term 3 ay mula January hanggang April 8, 2027. Sa kabuuan ay mayroong 201 class days. Ang opening block ay tumatagal ng 4 hanggang 5 araw. Ang bawat paaralan ay mag-i-implement ng mga developmentally appropriate activities during the opening block para suportahan ang smooth and effective transition into formal instruction. Ang mga activities dito ay para ma-establish ang learner readiness, makapag-generate ng baseline data, and to introduce foundational routines and expectations and competencies that are necessary para maging successful ang engagement sa instructional block. Ang instructional block naman ay tumatagal ng 61 to 62 days. Ito ay structured and protected dahil lahat ng paaralan dapat ay ma-ensure ang effective delivery of curriculum standards and maximization of uninterrupted instructional time. Supported syempre ng appropriate assessment practices. Ang aral program remediation sessions shall be systematically scheduled within the instructional block para ma-strengthen ang learning recovery at ma-address ang gaps sa foundational skills and promote equitable and improved learning outcomes ng lahat ng mga mag-aral. Ang school-based co-curricular activities shall be conducted only after class hours during the instructional block. And the division or regional levels, such as activities, should be scheduled alongside or immediately after the aral program sessions. Dapat ma-ensure ng mga school heads that no co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities, including preparations and rehearsals, are conducted during the instructional block. And of course, we have the end of term block. This shall be scheduled to ensure that all necessary activities are conducted within the term without disrupting the instructional block. And the activities shall include but not limited to aral program sessions, computation of grades, ang completion ng mga forms, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, distribution of progress or performance reports during the PTA, General Assembly, mga inset, training for teachers, and of course, we have the wellness breaks ng mga bata at ng mga guro. Schools may design and implement their own schedules, provided the minimum number of required hours for the aral program and the prescribed number of days para sa mga co-curricular and extracurricular activities, wellness breaks, and other authorized school programs are fully complied with. Kaguro, abangan mo sa susunod nating video para sa ating next Teach Talk. Magbibigay tayo ng sample activities for the opening block, sample class program for the instructional block, at para sa end of the term block, schedule of aral and other co-curricular activities. Stay tuned mga kaguro!